KOSEM plan to conduct Class 12 examination for remaining 7 subjects and practicals by May 8. KOSEM chairman assured declaration of exam results by May like previous years. Manipur observed World Malaria Day 2020 with Zero Malaria State with Me themed. No malaria case reported in Manipur for ongoing year. And coronavirus death toll in India reached 775 and total COVID-19 positive cases crossed 18,600. A very good evening to you all. I'm KANEL SHAMBANDURAM presenting you the evening news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. KOSEM is making efforts to conduct the remaining Class 12 examination for 7 subjects and practical papers by May 8 and to declare the examination result in May itself. Speaking to media, Chairman Dr. L. Mahindra stated that examinations of both Class 11 and 12 were postponed in the wake of lockdown due to coronavirus pandemic. The chairman said that an official notification for the exact examination dates will be announced soon. He assured that World Health Organization's guidelines will be strictly followed while conducting the examination. Stating that a paper evaluation is underway for Class 12 exams, which have been already conducted. The KOSEM chairman assured to declare the examination result in May month like other years. He added that the council is awaiting official intimation from the state cabinet regarding promotion of Class 11 students.
All India ki wina yengbada akoi Manipur na di khwaidigi fastest haijabatare result declare to buruso akoi na hangani, and then even before CBSE we can declare it. Akoi da madagi preparation do loine loiraga lejare adu center mari to na khaidoga hana mafam hamakakta de yangambadu handang mafam mari ni examiner masing su hana digi tangkhai matana tawreraga matam si evaluation si matam khar lawgani, even if lawjaraga su akoi hana tawkiba schedule mamangda May middle of May or the first week of May ado adi de parkha haidok pungam kibado adu ga chap manana ngamnuna bagi target te koi tham.
State Malaria Office observed World Malaria Day 2020 today. The day was observed at State Malaria Office in Lumphil. The theme for World Malaria Day 2020 is Zero Malaria State with Me. Speaking on the sideline, State Malaria Officer Dr. Thangpa Serto said there is no report of malaria case in Manipur for the ongoing year. He said efforts are on to make Manipur the first malaria eliminated state in India by 2021. Stating that malaria elimination certificate will be issued by World Health Organization, Dr. Serto expressed disappointment that the elimination process is being delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Dr. Thangpa Serto also stressed on the need to remain cautious against malaria, even though there is not a single case in Manipur, as there is high chance of importing the disease by people entering the state.
Hujiki oina Manipur da malaria se kumsigi 2020 sida malaria case ama pauli 2019 da case tara detect tauki aduda mi tramari di mapandagi pusilaga lapani akhoi Manipur da transmission taigiba locally transmit tawbots maduda anina kamjong da amana Tengnopol da amana Senapati da, so 4 Manipur manung the transmission to last year. Aduga roughly going back 2017, it's a 80 cases of malaria detect okay. Next year drastically 2018 the tranitoy cases ngatan. Masida taruk na mapandagi lakpa taruk na Manipur da. Sum handare aba Manipur manung transmission only 4 ne. And hujik pau this year gidamti ama pau like any fever later gadi kudak the diagnosis to view asagi level the hidak lai. Akogi primary health center, community health center, this of satpiu test on it's.
Dr. Thangpa Serto also said that malaria is spread by a genus of mosquito called Anopheles. He said when the mosquito bites a person already infected with malaria, it can also become infected and spread the parasite on the other people. He added that killing of mosquitoes by carrying out fogging is unnecessary in the absence of malaria outbreak. Dr. Thangpa Serto appealed to those concerned not to carry out fogging unnecessarily as it harms the environment and kills insects which aid in pollution.
Malaria naba mi amaduda kang chi aga mi atopa amachi urakanda malaria sandopani hujikti Manipur da malaria laitramni na kang na kyahu chi aga su koi malaria na roi aduda dum tumin le roi si akoi keroi lekai na thamsi water bodies kang breathing site machi ingse sengdo na lainingai di tausi puri asangmali si so that kang na chiktanaba koi gi mosquito repellent tbc ado khwai maru oba akoi mayam kangkan sijina bi se malaria matang da mayam na su na ningdabanina akoi gi summer season lae kang ya me haiduna malaria hatoksi haibasi I can understand koi bhab ta je adu mosquito duna magi malaria gi mahik pudragadi akoi na kang pa halaga kana de maramdi akoi na fogging tawriba hida chemical si poison ni.
One of the main adversities facing the hilly residents due to COVID-19 lockdown is unavailability of daily essential grocery items. Chairman of Hauchong village, Chare Bariam, stated the same to media while donating fresh vegetables for the residents of Urembam village along with other villagers today. Chare Variam said that basic grocery items like onion, cooking oil are not available in his village. He also highlighted the plights facing the villagers of Hauchong due to unavailability of the face masks and medicine supply. The village chairman urged the government to look into the matter.
I quite the higher the tang with the light, pangre, tang was a quite later higher when you had to pochi pangre, which was really pochi. A quite the higher the low pangre, a south how pangre, saying pangre, I could not quite saying I put quite kungi, Masagi, quite low, Uzera talks about saying me, Adusadun later, no Tom Morok, the quay lambda talks about the delay, the boy, Mapangi lamdi, Lapa, Posay, Mayama City, Wale, Adu, the Matakta, pharmacy, Hibatare, Max Power, quay labor pangde, Emlegi, quay relief, Napsagi relief. Na PB ba adudi khoi khungi oididi mipum mama da kiji mari di phajana PB re adudi.
Veterinary Director Dr. H. Chauba said there is no news of spread of COVID-19 among poultry. However, he appealed to people to keep their pet animals safe in the wake of pet cats and dogs and animals kept at the zoo testing positive for coronavirus in other countries. Speaking on the sideline of the World Veterinary Day at the Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Office in Sanjantong today, Veterinary Director Dr. H. Chauba also appealed to protect the environment and to take care of health of people and animals. Staffs of the Directorate and other workings in the field of veterinary and animal husbandry took oath to work with dedication and sacrifice on the occasion. This year's theme of the World Veterinary Day is Environmental Protection for Improving Animal and Human Health.
Poultry meat body the immune boost of our protein yawe has. Yam stressful over matam sida poultry meat see consume to be per Masidi Sabu and quite the hygiene. Sagi immunity is a can and another. And I was a policy quite a hodong da non sada kaida 17 positive ways. Must it me the guinea. Yum the Leviriba, Juzik Leriba, Hodong the Gui the Gimasia Palakani, Kulakani, and Kasumi Pineapple Popigano. That over the Quena, we know. Masima Tegasu, which is Hamnan the Nava Quinitan, Tabu Sanga, Quigi, Leriba, Quakeradagi, and Doga, the Tobita, Maduma Coin Hygiene. Mayam Nasu Kambire, how say, Mayam si Quay, Mui Bugi, civilization sita, Tanaba Tanaba Yadraba, Dugumba, Jiva Singni. Environment si Aquina, Kalakanda, Mosagi Kansi Kaitan, Tamakanda, Masina, Sao Sixingi, Health, do human health, Kayam Nakam Hainako improved the wong with the gay, Yum the labor, Lamloka lady, but Sao Sixing Sigi Masamo si, Patragati, Muba, Quigisu, Sayu si, and Labero Havisi, Masina Taiwan.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayant Kumar has inspected RIMS isolation ward. He was accompanied by a medical superintendent of RIMS, Chongtham Arun Kumar. The health ministers expressed satisfaction upon coming across that medical professionals at RIMS are maintaining the center with standard guidelines. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on COVID-19 cases in India and across the world. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News.
Khudong Chaba Laubiho, Radiant E-Ride Amadi State Bank of India Punna Kusamnaraga, India Government Kimakada, Mudra Yojana Scheme Gi Kutangda, Tabak Panghotra Vasinda, Senda Lambi Atoba Mating Oinaba, Sadmiron Fagat Hanaba, Loinana, Loan Gi Khudong Chaba, Pizari, Ahanba Mui Chamada, Akaknaba Matam Karagi Oina, Loan Pizagani, Akupamarol Gidamal, Radiant E-Ride Head Office, Sangai Pro, Ningtem Call, Amasung Branches, contact number 8257850421.
Classic Group of Hotels food delivery. Order timing 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can now order from Classic Group of Hotels through food Wi-Fi. Phone number 762-993-9025706-8859. Taste of Imphal 708-506-3393. Hummingbird 878-766-84393 or 708-520-8319. Food can be ordered through food Wi-Fi and Hummingbird apps. Hygienic, safe and no contact delivery.
UNACO School, Excellence in Education, Hongman Zone 3, Imphal East, Manipur. Provisional admission to Class 11 for the session 2020-21 has been started. Online classes will start from 1st of May 2020. Deciduous students or parents can contact school office from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. for enrollment. Please contact 70854-10354 or 8131070337 or 9436849647. You can also mail us at info.kongman@unaco.school.in or info.unacoschool@gmail.com.
Welcome back after the break. You are watching Evening News. The number of active COVID-19 positive cases in India have reached 18,668 cases. 7,075 patients have died so far, while 5,062 people have been cured and discharged. Maharashtra is on the top list with 6,817 positive cases and with 301 deaths. Gujarat and Delhi are in the second and third of the list. On the other hand, United States of America is on the top list worldwide with more than 9,25,700 positive cases and more than 52,200 deaths. Spain is in the second place with more than 2,19,700 positive cases and more than 22,500 deaths. And Italy is in the third place with more than 1,92,900 confirmed cases and nearly 26,000 deaths. China, from where the virus started, is in the ninth place with more than 82,800 positive cases and 4,632 deaths. China has reported 12 new cases today. Coronavirus has infected more than 28,43,800 positive cases worldwide. Nearly 1,98,000 people have succumbed to COVID-19 and nearly 8,10,000 people have recovered. Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has said that 5,79,957 samples of COVID-19 have been tested by various government and private laboratories in the country. ICMR is continuously scaling up its testing facilities for COVID-19 by giving approval to government and private laboratories. As of now, 272 government laboratories and 87 private laboratories chains have been given approval to conduct the test for COVID-19. Meanwhile, the health ministry officials said in last 28 days, 15 districts have had no new cases. Till date, there are 80 districts in the country that have reported no new cases in the last 14 days. The officials informed that Union Health Minister today interacted with all state health ministers, ministers of medical education and health secretaries through video conferencing to discuss management of COVID-19. Two days after the second COVID-19 positive patient, a Tripura State Rifles TSR Jawan tested negative for 2 consecutive times. Tripura Health Department on Saturday released him and sent him into 14-day facility quarantined. Healthcare staffs gave him the round of applause while he was leaving the hospital. On his tweet account, the Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev termed the event as happy moment and thanked all front-line warriors for their efforts. Sanjay Kothari, a retired IAS officer, took oath as Chief Vigilance Commissioner today. President Ramnath Kovind administered him the oath at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu and others were also present at the ceremony. Social distancing was strictly followed at the ceremony. Proscribed Kanglei Park Yaol Kanalupt KYKL reportedly held its low-key 26th Foundation Day celebration due to COVID-19 situation. KYKL in a press release mentioned that celebrations were held at its headquarters and branches by hoisting the outfit's flag, paying floral tribute to late members and greetings by their chairman. KYKL pays respect to healthcare workers fighting against coronavirus on the occasion. Hand sanitizer made by 3 teachers and research scholars of the Department of Biotechnology, Manipur universities were donated to Impact News today. The teachers and students team have been donating hand sanitizers to front-line coronavirus warriors such as health workers, police personnel and media persons. Speaking to media, they highlighted the plights in making sanitizers due to unavailability of alcohol and plastic bottles. They also stressed on the need to set up a regulatory body to test the effectiveness of hand sanitizers made in the state as well as those imported ones. Proscribed group PPAC and Red Army of the group greeted the people of the state on the occasions of 7th Colonialism Resist Day 2020. The proscribed group in a press release said that security forces have carried out numerous violence on women and children of the state and appealed to people to stand firm against the same. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. KOSEM plans to conduct Class 12 examination for remaining 7 subjects and practicals by May 8. KOSEM Chairman assured declarations of exam results by May like previous years. Manipur observed World Malaria Day 2020 with Zero Malaria State with Me theme. No malaria case reported in Manipur for ongoing years. And the coronavirus death toll in India reached 775 and the total coronavirus or COVID-19 positive cases crossed 18,600. Well, thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Manohutna. And in the meantime, for more news and information, please do not hesitate to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Until then, have a great evening.